event.preventDefault versus return false. When I want to prevent other event handlers from executing after a certain event is fired, I can use one of two techniques. I'll use jQuery in the examples, but this applies to plain JS as well. 1. Event.preventDefault, $a, click, function, e, custom handling here, e-preventDefault. 2. Return false, $a, click, function, custom handling here, return false. Is there any significant difference between those two methods of stopping event propagation? For me, return false is simpler, shorter and probably less error-prone than executing a method. With the method, you have to remember about correct casing, parenthesis, etc. Also, I have to define the first parameter in callback to be able to call the method. Perhaps, there are some reasons why I should avoid doing it like this and use prevent default instead. What's the better way? Return false from within a jQuery event handler is effectively the same as calling both ePreventDefault and eStopPropagation on the past jQuery event object. ePreventDefault will prevent the default event from occurring. eStopPropagation will prevent the event from bubbling up, and return false will do both. Note that this behavior differs from normal non-jQuery event handlers, in which, notably, return false does not stop the event from bubbling up. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.